ABSL के इक्विटी आउटलुक से ही है. Corporate profits to GDP percent for Nifty 500 companies. First question, very basic question for the retail investors. What is corporate profit to GDP percentage and what does it signify actually?
Sure. तो देखिए GDP हम सबको पता है, which is broadly speaking the economic activity of a country. Okay, उसके बहुत सारे कैलकुलेशन के बेसिस पे नहीं जाऊंगा, बट मोटा मोटी this is what it is. It's the value added by the economy, right? Now, value addition happens by individuals, it happens by corporates, it happens by households, it happens by the government. Multiple entities are there in an economy which are contributing to the value add. So what we are plotting is within that entire economy, what is the value added by the corporate sector, which is listed. तो जो आप चार्ट बता रहे हो वो listed companies, जो NSE 500 जो है कि टॉप 500 कंपनीज के टोटल प्रॉफिट्स या उनके वैल्यू एड डिवाइडेड बाय द टोटल वैल्यू एड ऑफ द इकोनॉमी. ओके, नाउ दिस गोज थ्रू साइकिल्स. ओके, हर चीज एक साइकिल होता है, राइट? सो इन व्हाट वी हैव शोन है कि जब एनिमल स्पिरिट्स हो जाते हैं, जब आपका केपेक्स आदमी लग जाता है, जब आपका क्रेडिट ग्रोथ फ्री फ्लोइंग होता है और जब आपका डिमांड भी सुपर स्ट्रांग होता है, then we have seen that profits of the corporate sector have typically risen quite strongly. Okay, then we get to a phase जो हमने कोविड से मान लीजिए कि 5-7 साल पहले देखा था, 2013 से 2019 तक, wherein profits of the overall corporate sector stagnated, and that was also a function कि बहुत सारे reforms आ गए थे. A lot of losses came through because of those reforms, because companies which were otherwise pretending that they were good suddenly were declared as NPAs. They were forced to come clean and to clean up their balance sheet. So उसके चक्कर में overall profits नीचे आ गए या as a percentage of GDP. Then like I mentioned, during the wave of the last 3 years from COVID, we have seen profits double. जो मैं पहले शुरू किया 6-7 लाख करोड़ से 13-14 लाख करोड़ का आंकड़ा जो मैंने पहले बताया. So now because of that we have seen the resurgence of corporate profits to overall GDP. We do expect that in times to come we are going to continue to see an improvement in this. Okay, from अगर मैं vehicle का gear जो हम सबको पता है, so from that perspective अगर मैं बताऊं तो we have moved from say neutral gear pre-COVID to the first gear in the first 2 years. अभी शायद हम सेकेंड एंड थर्ड गियर के बीच में है. ओके, फोर्थ गियर जब लगेगा जब आपका ओवरऑल केपेक्स फुल ब्लोन तेजी में होगा, आपका क्रेडिट ग्रोथ फुल ब्लोन तेजी में होगा, आपका डिमांड will skyrocket, and along with that inflation and all that will start coming through. So we are somewhere between second and third gear. I think from a medium term perspective we tend to get worried when we are close to the fourth gear, because हमें तब लगता है कि बस गाड़ी में फ्यूल है कि नहीं कि to further sustain it, right? So at this point of time, therefore we think that we still are in a reasonably good shape to continue to see greater growth in terms of corporate profits to overall GDP.